Hello. This is a very unusual video for me to be making, but I'm making it from a hospital room due to a horrible car accident that I was in not too long ago. Hello. I'll explain what happened real quick, my condition, and this is my first time I've been able to get through the window, and I'll show you the view we have here. It's pretty nice. It was about 5:50 in the morning. I was getting on the freeway, got up to about 75 miles an hour, looked in my side mirror to merge on, looked back up and I saw brake lights, so I hit my brakes, and when I did that, something went wrong. My car shot across. I just took a hard left, went across 6 lanes of traffic, hit the wall, went airborne, and flew about 40 feet, landed against the wall again. And as I landed, it shot me across all 6 lanes of traffic and hit the other wall. I hit nobody. Nobody hit me. I just hit the wall, and then the wall, and then the other wall. I broke my back at the thoracic area, which is right in the middle, at T8. My wrist. I broke up the left side of my face. It's broken around my eye. Shattered below my eye. Cheekbone is broken. Nose is broken. My jaw is all kind of jacked up. And so they're going to have to go in, cut, and do plastic surgery and put a plate in my face. And then screw it in a plastic plate. They'll make an incision here and here and put all that stuff in. My sternum is just in horrible pain. See, I've got this turtle shell thing on. And I had my seatbelt on. That's the only reason I'm here. Bad seatbelt burns. And I had a hoodie on and a shirt. I don't remember the airbags going off. I don't remember much of it. And then my heel and my ankle were broken. That foot was pinned in the car. I ended up, the fireman couldn't get it out, so I ended up just yanking my foot out of my shoe. So, yeah, my hand is all banged up, and this hand is all cut up, IV stuff, and so that is, I'll take this off and let you see my other hand. But I'll tell you what, seatbelts really save life. I beat all the odds going across 12 lanes of travel and not being hit on a busy interstate, and having the seatbelt on. Here's my other hand and wrist. Now, for the cool part is, I'll slide over here and get a good view of the southeast valley of Salt Lake County. Oh, I gotta stand up. Hang on here. There we go. That is our Wasatch Mountains here in Utah. And you are looking at the eastern side of Salt Lake County. I'm on the 11th floor. There's the Life Flight helicopter pad. Ambulance coming in and out of here all day long. The helicopter took off about 10 minutes ago, and I don't know when it's coming back. I think I can, oh, there it is. So here comes the helicopter. But I am told, everybody that has looked at my car, I am told I am very lucky to be here. Yeah, I wish I had my video camera, but all I have with me is what I had with me in my car, my cell phone. Isn't that cool? Now all I need is my Spectrum DX8 radio. Put a little heli down there and I could fly you all day. But I just wanted to share this with everybody that it was a horrible, violent crash. And the only reason I'm here is because of my seatbelt. I just happened to put it on that morning. So, thank you for watching, everybody. I will have videos coming up of my car when I get the strength to go and look at it. And I will have videos that I'll upload after my surgery on my face. It's kind of hard to talk. But we'll get all that stuff. So right now it looks like we have 2 ambulances here and the helicopter. I don't know if, well, they left here, and I don't know if they're bringing a patient here or if they already took them somewhere else. Or see, Rob, you could come and live here and fly that helicopter, huh? Oh, it doesn't look like they're in a major. It looks like they do have a patient in there. Out of the respect for the injured, I'll stop the video here. So thank you for watching, and be safe out there, people, all my fellow RCers, and wear your seatbelts. All right, thanks.